India and China, two giants of Asia, both home to over 1 billion people, both racing ahead in the global economy. But when it comes to technology, does India still lag behind China? Or is the gap starting to close? Let's explore the facts, the myths, and the future of India's tech story. Let's start with where China clearly leads. Over the last 20 years, China has transformed itself into the world's factory. Today, it produces over 30% of all global manufacturing output. It's a powerhouse in making smartphones, laptops, electric vehicles, and even green technologies like solar panels and batteries. Its government has poured billions into research and development, putting China ahead in deep tech patents, semiconductors, robotics, and even artificial intelligence research. From building 5G networks to high-speed rail and dominating EV markets, China has positioned itself as the go-to player in cutting-edge manufacturing and hardware innovation. But India has its own unique edge, and it's impressive. India leads the world in information technology and software services. Its IT industry generates over $250 billion annually, employing millions and powering the digital backbone of countless global companies. India also shines in digital adoption. UPI, India's real-time payment system, has become a global model, and India now ranks second worldwide in fintech adoption. Interestingly, India has even surpassed the US in ChatGPT usage, showing how digitally hungry its population is. And on the manufacturing front, thanks to global supply chains shifting, India has become the #1 exporter of smartphones to the US, and the government's Make in India initiative is boosting its factories and infrastructure. So why does India still seem behind China? One reason is scale. China invests far more in research, manufacturing, and innovation, often up to 10 times what India spends. India also faces challenges like bureaucratic red tape, slower infrastructure rollout, and lower levels of patenting and deep tech innovation. While India has been stronger in services, China has built a solid foundation in product-based industries and exports high-tech hardware to the world. That's the gap India is still working to close. But here's the exciting part. India is catching up. New investments are flowing into semiconductors, drones, electric vehicles, and AI research. The government has announced billions in incentives to attract manufacturers and boost local production. And India's massive, young talent pool is driving innovation in affordable, scalable technologies, what many call frugal innovation. If India can sustain this momentum, streamline its policies, and continue investing in research and manufacturing, it has the potential not just to catch up, but to lead in certain areas of technology in the next decade. So yes, today, China still holds the lead in high-tech manufacturing and innovation. But India is fast closing the gap, with its own strengths and an unstoppable drive to grow. What do you think? Will India take the lead in the coming years? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on tech and innovation.